भाई का बर्थडे है अरे रे रे भाई का बर्थडे है Pavi, when I say भाई का बर्थडे है who you think of?
Florence Bishnoi. सलमान खान.
भाई
दी भाई. ओजी भाई.
OG.
सबका भाई अपने पापा का भी. You do you, Salman.
Yeah, you can do that
Maybe
now.
do me sometimes.
Salman Khan's birthday is on the same day as my ex-boyfriend who cheated on me.
Oh my god.
From that previous
Yes,
episode.
chewing gum boy.
Chewing gum boy, yeah. दिल में आता हूँ समझ में नहीं ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज़ाना
Okay, yeah, come on. Get out there. Yeah. Twerk that ass.
You need to stand up for yourself. You need to and be honest. That's all I'm saying. Just be honest. If you don't like something, you say I don't like this and just whatever. Walk out if you don't like it.
But I don't like this.
What nonsense? No, I'm having a conversation. Pavitra, no. Spill the tea. Hello, namaste, salam alaikum, sat sri akal, kem cho, kasakai, kedowale, and welcome to Spill the Tea.
A show for cuties, hotties, and virginities. Your name is
Jia, your name is?
Pavitra. And today is.
भाई का बर्थडे है अरे रे रे भाई का बर्थडे है
That's right.
Pavi, when I say भाई का बर्थडे है who you think of?
Florence Bishnoi.
Oi, you had
I'm
to
kidding.
do that.
Salman Khan.
भाई
दी भाई. ओजी भाई.
OG.
सबका भाई अपने पापा का भी.
Very good. अपने पापा का भी और उसके भाई का भी.
Yes.
He has भाईs.
दो भाईस.
दो भाईs.
That we
And
know
बहन
of.
also. So he's
Yes.
भाई to बहन
बहन
also.
also. That also he has adopted sister also, real sister also.
Salman Khan has a real sister?
Yeah, there's one real one also.
Really?
Yeah.
What's her name?
I forgot her name.
Okay,
Thoda she
Google it.
doesn't get attention. Wait, I will Google it right away.
Yeah, as you Google, let me ask you, Pavitra, what is your favorite Salman Khan movie?
Both how I'll do together. Wait.
You can talk and you know the answers.
Salman's
mean-
sister Alvira Khan. She's the real one.
Really? And what is the other? Arpita.
Arpita.
Oh.
Arpita. Why? I was started talking like you only. Arpita.
Arpita.
Arpita bread and hummus. No, which is my favorite
Salman Khan movie.
movie. It's Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya.
Who's in it?
Salman Khan. Arbaz is also in it. And he is playing a
Nepotism.
brother, but he's playing a brother to Kajol in
Oh.
it. So, yeah, and he's the Bade Bhaiya. And then that's how Salman calls him also in the entire movie.
Bade bhaiya.
Bade Bhaiya. Yeah. He's like that, every time they say that child in the boy in the class who pulls your pigtails and that means he likes you. Salman is that person.
I think in real life also.
Yeah. So
In the movie, he was that.
he was very very pulling her chunni and everything, and I would fully imagine myself as Kajol in a blue color outfit, and he's also and I'm like, shut up. And they had this one game in this in which they had to stare into each other's eyes and who will blink first. Such a cringy game, but back then I was like, oh my god, it gave me feelings in my tummy and vajayjay, and they would do this. That song was also there, that hey something one tune is there when they are staring into each other's eyes, and I'm like, that is how I would want to meet my boy.
Amazing.
But not now. That was back then as such. And O Jane Jana is from this movie where he showed his
Where's
body was at
topless.
its peak at that time, and
ah.
you have to show that.
Yeah.
So-
It's unbelievable that he could move like that.
Move and the type of clothes he pulled off.
Yes.
Bhai, it's mad. His fashion sense. Whoever was designing clothes or assigning clothes, great job.
Yeah.
They did justice to his body.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I feel like Salman is actually a good actor. actor.
He's a great actor.
Yeah, I don't know why he has such a bad reputation.
I think it's more off
Late.
late. I think, after a certain amount of time, he's like, I've already proved myself.
Yes.
Now the audiences love me already. So he must have let loose कि अभी मैं भी थोड़ा बूढ़ा हो
Retiring
चुका
in
है.
the acting.
Yeah, he's taking it
Chill,
easy. He's
yeah.
taking it chill, which is cool. I mean, like, you do you, Salman.
Yeah, you can do that
Maybe do
now.
me sometimes. You. Yeah, what is your favorite Salman movie?
Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam.
Oh, banger.
Yeah, I love that. Aishwarya was in it.
Yeah,
Yeah. And he was singing. He went for the father was a singing teacher. Aishu's father was a singing teacher, right? Yeah. Oh my
That
God.
was also another where, like, bachpan mein, since we didn't have so much TV time and like internet, like we had imagination. So we had to just daydream. And because raat ko mummy papa would make you sleep on time. So daydream mein I would dream of scenarios in like movies only. And like I remember I would try to put those kajal dots and all and try and look like it. But the thing is I don't have a lehenga going along with it. Mine was just t-shirt and skirt with like yeah, but that scene of him pulling her choti.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oof,
that's why you've
all
tied
of
your
them.
hair, no?
Yeah, today I guess. Yeah. And I've
Jia is like
obviously-
he likes pulling
hair. Salman does like it.
Yeah.
But that and every time like even when there's a chand in the sky,
Yeah.
I'm fully chand chupa
Chupa.
badal mein. That movie
इसके
was
आवाज में सुर छुपा हुआ है. Half the words didn't come out, and this is not because of the AQI. It's always been like
yeah. But that movie was such a nice movie. You know,
Yeah.
Salman Khan's birthday is on 27th December.
Yes.
And that is why we're
he's
kind
a
of doing
December
this
baby
podcast.
like me.
But not the same sign.
Yeah, but
so
his
my,
some Vedic sun sign is same as mine.
you just want something of yours to be, you know,
In
you
common.
are.
Both of us have a great body. Come
Yeah.
on. Right now, our bodies are similar.
Correct.
I can relate to
he's,
Salman
no,
Khan's
he's
body.
lost some weight. He's lost some
He's
weight.
lost
Yeah.
some weight.
He's
Even I've lost 2 kilos.
No, don't tell us that.
Salu.
He's also lost 2 kilos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
So, in fact, Salman Khan's birthday is on the same day as my ex-boyfriend who cheated on me.
Oh my god.
From that previous
Yes,
episode.
Chewing Gum Boy.
Chewing Gum Boy, yes. He's
If you don't know what we're saying, go watch that episode. What have you been doing? Living a life? Ew.
ew. So they're born on the same day.
Nice. I mean, sucks for unlucky. He's unlucky to share his birthday with your ex-cheating boyfriend.
I mean, it's the same. It's like they're the same guy.
No, Salman doesn't cheat.
You.
He's an intense boyfriend. Like, which is also a question I wanted to ask. Like, would you want Salman as your bhai or as your boyfriend?
Bye.
Bhai.
He'll have your back.
And how?
He had, yeah, like,
Yeah.
you know, PC had some issues in Mumbai when she was here, and he had her back and how, like, he really helped her out. And
Even Bobby Deol and like
Yes.
I've heard like the people who he has supported मतलब just उनको उठा के एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेके जाने की कमी थी. Rakhi also speaks highly about Salman.
yeah, and when he has to cut someone off, he cuts them off.
Yeah.
He cuts them off from the entire industry.
Yeah, like that. That's the thing. If you piss Salman off, like, yeah, there's no forgive and forget. He'll make the world forget you.
Yes,
It's like
that's
gone.
I think that personality trait I share with Salman,
Yes,
100%. If you
she's-
piss me off, you're cut.
Yeah,
Forever.
That I don't have. But for me, I think I would want someone who fiercely protects me like that. But I have Gia, so I would take him as a boyfriend because I feel like I'll be the final one where he'll be like, "This is why I was waiting to get married."
Yeah, I think so
Yeah.
too. I think he'll be the only guy to make you feel girly.
Yeah.
He'll
I-
just be like Pavitra, and you'll be like, oh my God, Sallu.
But the thing is, like,
Will you call him bhai?
no, I'll call him Sal's. Yeah.
Salz.
SK actually. SK is
Ooh,
cool.
yeah. That's a bit sexy also.
Yeah, like sexy K.
Mm.
Yeah, I like both Shah Rukh and Salman. Like intensity is like high. In fact, like on relationship last week, I was talking about this dream of mine which I had about Salman. I'll tell you all here also. So basically, we were in a train. Okay, I
You
don't
and
know.
Salman.
Yeah, and like this is a long journey train, not local. Okay, and piche around people are there in the background and all. We don't
Malaika
give a
Arora.
fuck. No, no, like normal civilians are there, and Sallu and I are sitting, and he's got like his t-shirt is like cutting his bicep perfectly, and like right, you're also feeling things, na? And I'm holding him by his bicep. Okay, yeah. So
Ooh.
and then his bicep is grazing my side boob, and it's like very like intimately we're sitting, and like the start of a relationship where nothing has happened, but there's just she's
Sparks.
sparks are happening, and then I woke up with an orgasm,
Oh,
which was
wow.
great
Oh
for
no, this
me.
was a
It was a
dream.
dream, and it felt very
So
real.
real, yeah.
Yeah, so then few days uske baad to I was just like sallu sallu, and also his interviews from the past, so cute, charismatic, and masti core and nutcut, like you're
Yes,
just
yes,
like,
yes.
what is up with him? Why is he saying these things? But also like, why does it make me feel things?
So
Yeah.
you'd rather he be your boyfriend than a bhai?
Yeah.
Oh
I
my
have you,
God.
na, Jia bhai. Why do I need
Correct,
Salman
correct.
bhai?
Yeah, but then it'll be me versus Salman.
I
You know,
think only in bed.
I'll be a protective of you, right? I
Yes, which
wouldn't
is
want your
good.
boyfriend
Which I
to,
think he'll appreciate. I feel one bhai will get another bhai.
yeah, maybe,
Like he'll
okay.
be like, I get if he's ever bad to me and you stand up for me, he'll be like, correct, tu sahi
Yeah.
boli. Like of what I've heard through like rumors is that Salman is great at apologizing. Like because when he realizes his mistake, like he's a very impulsive person, so he does something, but then he realizes his mistake and he really makes it up to the
So
person.
basically, I think he has anger issues.
Yeah, which I can
Because
understand.
impulsive, you're 50, 100 years old. How old is he now?
I think 57.
So it's okay, yeah, there you go. 57, how can you still be impulsive? Get your control of your
But see the
emotions.
industry they are in, yeah. It's so tough. Like, I understand, Sallu. I'll be there to listen to your problems
She
at the
wants to
night.
marry Salman Khan. Let's send this video to Salman
Yeah.
Khan so he can. Unless I've said anything inappropriate, then let's not.
But that's what he told Pranit More also on Big Boss that मेरे पे joke करो but funny होना
Yeah,
चाहिए.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
now I mean SK, sexy K. These, I hope you like these jokes on you.
Oh my God, but SRK is already
Yeah,
there.
but
So
this
you
is
can't
sexy
say
K.
SK. Okay, sexy K is fine.
Yeah.
Sexy K is fine. He'd also appreciate it.
Yeah, something new,
Have
something
you ever
different.
met Salman?
Yes, twice actually. But like met as in I was in the surroundings. It was both at IFA only. First time, so there are these dance rehearsals which are happening, tech rehearsals a day before. And it's chaos, okay? Whichever actor is coming, doing, there's noise, or the crew is running around here, there, this. When it was Salman's turn, he comes. It's like a tiger has entered on set, okay? And everyone goes quiet, and he's sitting at the edge of the stage, which comes out, that part. He's sitting there at the edge. And we were supposed to write some script for his, some entry thing. So we didn't get to directly talk to him. There was some person of his, he would tell them and they would tell us. And I remember we were all like writing the script then later, baad mein, and Shad was writing in the Google Doc also, he was writing bhai when he was writing his dialogues. And I was like, this is like true Muslim connection. Y'all are writing it like that. So, like that, there is that, intimidation, respect, fear. It's a mix of those feelings. Second time, he had come for his dance practice. And he is friends with the owner of this Wizcraft who basically organizes IFA. So to tease him, he got a song parody of Johnny Yes Papa made, in which he is like, that guy's name, let me name him. Say Jia. So Jia, yes Papa. Eating money, no papa. Like, so he just started making a joke on him just for the dance rehearsal. So he's a prankster. He loves
Nice.
like making everyone happy. And yeah, and there were kids in that performance. He was vibing with those kids, so he's great with kids. And it was cute to see him like all happy and excited. And he had these cute long pants, okay, and he is short, so they were coming bichara in his way of dancing. And I was just like, I just
Oh,
want to go and fold it for him and be like, yo, dance properly.
oh my
Yeah.
God, he's not your beta.
I don't know. He brings out a lot of sides in me. But there was one part in the dance sequence where he is like singing Dil Diya Galla, and there is a huge mirror, okay, in front. So it's like he's romancing himself. I love that part. I was like, oh my God, I have never related to someone more than him in
Salman
that moment.
romancing himself makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
He's the guy. I've also met him at a award show.
Yeah.
And he was dancing rehearsal or whatever. That was
Hmm.
fine. But then later, he had a party in his room.
Ah.
And all, of course, he invited everybody and whatever.
Hmm.
And he charged the party to us, the company that was putting him up there.
That's
And
the right thing to do. I
yeah,
think
so
it's
we paid
amazing.
like 2.5 lakhs or something for one guy's room service. Like,
Oh, this
it
he
may have
did this to
been
my
more.
cousin also. Like she's also a creative director. So at an award show, he called the entire team and say urgent, ki you have to come to my this. We have to do discussion. So they've all showed up with laptops at his bag, at his room. And then they open and they see it's a party going on. And then he's pointing and laughing at them. Ha laptop leke aaye ho. Side pe rako party karna hai." What a crazy man.
Yeah,
he
so he
was.
does
So
this. I think he
yeah.
parties with his people.
People a
Yeah,
lot.
a lot. Yeah.
Which movie of Shah Rukh do you think Salman would have done better?
I feel like all.
What? No way.
Bazigar. I don't know,
Oh yeah, Bazigar, I can imagine.
Or even Dar.
Dar, no, I can't imagine Salman as like someone.
Ooh, I
you
can totally imagine Salman. Shah Rukh, in fact, seemed like such a put on to do that scary role, right?
Really, I found him
Like,
very scary in that because that was also
and
initial Shah
imagine
Rukh. So
Salman in it. Even more scary.
but
Salman has an
बचपन
aura of
में
scary.
he looked like how he looks now. He's got that fierce tiger look, but like अंदाज अपना अपना and all. He was so, ये रात है और ये
Yeah.
दूर.
He has that
He was very beta back then. So
baby face.
baby cute face, and he's got loose motions and he's running to the bathroom. I can't imagine that man doing dar like. Because Shah Rukh's image changed later. Initially, he was introduced to the masses as a villain. So it was easier to imagine him like that with that fringe hair that he had. It was like, oh, what's up with this man? Then ऐसे वैसे करके बाल ऐसे जेल वेल करके पोलो टी पहन के शाहरुख came to you like, okay, I guess I can imagine myself with this bad boy. So, oh, do you believe, by the way, Salman is a virgin?
For you.
For me, I
He's
mean, I
waiting.
would wait for him. I mean, I guess experience
Both of
is
them.
better. Yeah, someone should have experience between the two of us. If both are like this, then what will happen? We'll have to do bicep holding only. Once I'll hold his bicep, then he'll hold my bicep. It's just not fun.
No, obviously not. Yeah, he's not. He's like 59 years old. I feel like he might have a child somewhere. Some woman has had Salman's child. And has not
If you're
told him.
watching this in the comments, let us know.
Would you like to have Salman's babies? Would you like to have Salman's babies?
I think for him, I'll do it.
Okay.
Like because otherwise I'm not so much
Into.
into procreation, but for
Salman's
Sallu I'll
baby.
do it. I think I'll
Wow.
get like peer pressured by him for
Peer
sure.
pressured by him.
Because see, like there is beta, alpha, and then there is sigma, and Salman is sigma.
And what is Amitabh?
Amitabh is also somewhere between beta and alpha, like a gamma situation.
And SRK?
Alpha, bro.
And Sigma is the highest.
Highest. But do you like who do you think Salman is a beta around? Like he won't be alpha everywhere, right? Or sigma everywhere. He'll be beta around someone else.
Shah Rukh
right?
Khan.
Really?
I think he's a beta around Shah
Yeah,
Rukh.
they are both like very chummar chatty with each other. As soon as they meet, they become like
Yes. Because
sudden.
they've had a falling out.
Yeah.
And so they don't want to have that falling out again.
Yeah, and Baba Siddiqui brought them together. And after that, so many of my friends have started calling me Baba Siddiqui because I'm like moderator and mediator. And then when they have a fight, they'll be like, "Can you just Baba Siddiqui it up for us and bring us together?" So yeah, that's like true friendship, right? Like break up करके वापस आ गए वो लोग
Yes.
साथ में.
Yes, that is, I mean, I don't know if it's for the media or actually are they friends.
No, you can see through bullshit, yeah. Like theirs is killer friendship.
All right,
For
Pavitra, I
sure.
have a game.
Okay, tell
I'm
me.
going to tell you 5 famous Salman Khan lines and you have to tell me what movie it is from.
Okay.
All right. एक बार जो मैंने कमिट कर दी तो मैं अपने आप की नहीं सुनता.
Oh God, I know these dialogues, but to remember which movie it is from,
So apt for Salman.
yeah. Yeah, he's like, I will not commit to anyone. Ready?
No.
Oh, which one was it?
You get one more chance.
The Bung.
No.
No. That किसी का भाई
No.
किसी का जान every name movie.
Did you?
Wanted.
Yeah.
In the edit, we'll cut all my wrong answers.
Yes, all right. Next one. मुझ पे एक एहसान करो, मुझ पे कोई एहसान मत करो.
Dude, एक तो all his movies, I feel like all these dialogues fit everywhere. One of these Dabang, it will be in these thing only, na? Dabang, Wanted.
What is Salman Khan in need of right now?
Love.
A,
Wife.
to keep him safe.
Bodyguard. Dinka chika.
All right. दिल में आता हूँ समझ
समझ
में
में
नहीं.
Race 3 or Kick. हाँ.
All right. स्वागत नहीं करोगे हमारा.
Tiger.
Yeah.
One of the tigers.
जिंदा है.
हाँ.
Oh, there's more than
Swag
one.
से करेंगे सबका स्वागत.
Oh, this is from a
Yeah, there are
Salman
3
movie.
tigers. Tiger
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
अच्छा, हम तुम में इतना छेद करेंगे कि कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे कि सांस कहाँ से ले और पादे कहाँ से.
Dabang. This one is
दबंग,
Dabang.
दबंग.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, last. दोस्ती का एक असूल है. Madam, no sorry, no thank you.
मैं प्यार चुम्मी मैंने प्यार क्यों किया नहीं मैंने प्यार किया I also have a game for you.
Go for
This
it.
game, I will hum some Salman songs and you have to guess which song it is. Okay. There's a reason I didn't give her the humming game. Okay.
Because I'm Besura.
Yeah, and right now even I've like got EQ, say congestion. So in case it feels Besura, it's because of that.
Huh?
Say.
Again, look in the camera and do it. Okay, stop. Give one word from the line. One word, any word.
तेरे
तेरे बिन
hangover.
hangover.
तेरी यादों का.
I don't know this song, but okay. What
Okay.
movie is it from?
This is Kick.
Oh, okay.
Okay, then I'll sing this one.
चाहिए मुझे रोमियो.
You
Do it
make
again,
a
do it again,
motion.
do it again. Look there and do it. Okay, stop. Say the first line again. No, all this I won't remember. Say the first line. Oh no, I don't know. मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा.
Yeah, nice. Okay, one more I'll sing for you. Uh, Stop enjoying and guess it. This is what we tell each other when we leave each other every day.
Bye.
And
TDTC, MTDC.
and
Sweet dreams.
and
Take care.
Take
Take care. मुझसे शादी
Arey, every time when I leave, I tell you
Love you
this.
too.
Yes, but instead, but first, what
Love
do
you.
I love you. Ooh, you've not heard this song?
No.
Okay, this is easy now.
ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज़
Okay, yeah, come on.
आए,
Get out there.
जिंदगी में
Yeah.
आना
Twerk that ass.
सनम.
Yeah.
I want to try.
Okay, try.
Come on, you have to know it.
Yeah, but can you do it again? I'm like, मुझसे शादी करोगी मुझसे शादी
Okay,
करोगी.
okay.
Yeah.
No, let me try one more.
हम दिल दे चुके. It did not sound anything like that. Okay. I like that the humming song में hum only started with the. Next game is Two Truths and a Lie, and these are Salman related. Do you want to
Do
go
mine first? Sure.
Yes.
Two truths and a lie, I think, I mean, for me, is number one is Salman has showcased his art in my dad's art gallery.
Ooh.
Number two is Salman Khan stretches his body using an electric stretcher to grow little taller every day. Salman Khan's cycle Giant Propel 2014 XTC is one of the most expensive bicycles in the country. It costs 4 lakh rupees.
The second one. I
Is a lie?
think. Yeah. I don't think he's growing taller.
You think I have Salman's paintings in my dad's gallery?
Yeah, your dad is very connected.
With Salman?
Yeah, why not? The Bollywood vibes were also there at your last party. So it's the second one is a lie.
It's a lie.
Yeah.
Second one. There's nothing like you can't stretch yourself to make
Yeah,
yourself
I would
taller.
have started, dude. Like
There's
Complan
nothing
and
like
all
that.
was the last chance.
You
that
would have started. Salman would have done it. No, if you would have started. Salman wouldn't have to wait till now to do this.
Yeah,
He
dude.
would have done it. Yeah, correct.
But which painting of Salman was there in your
No, it
dad's-
was an like he did an exhibition in my dad's gallery.
Damn.
My dad also has Salman's number. Yeah, phone number.
Can
in
he
his
be my
phone.
wingman?
No. So, Pavitra, your two truths and a lie.
Yes. So my first movie in the theater was a Salman movie, Karan Arjun. He had a pet horse named Majnu growing up in Gwalior. 3 of his dog names are My Son, My Jaan, and My Love.
My son, my love, and my Jaan. What are these breed of dogs?
That I don't remember. His
Oh, you don't
names I
know.
remember.
You remember the names of the dogs. All right. What was the first one?
My Son,
No. The
My Jaan, and then My Love.
lovely.
The
What is
first one was
truth?
my first movie in the theater was a Salman movie, Karan Arjun. Then he had a pet horse named Majnu growing
I
up
think
in
that's a
Gwalior.
truth. Is it true?
Which one?
Second one. He has a pet horse called Majnu.
Lie you have to find
But
out.
first, tell me if this is a truth.
No, but you have to tell me what is the
Oh, so
lie.
this
That
is
is
the
the
lie
game.
or what?
You have to
I
find
know,
the.
I know. So I'm trying. I'm trying to
Okay, so you think the second
dissect
one is the truth.
that he had a dog, a
Majnu.
horse called Majnu.
Hmm.
Yeah. That's
It's
the
a
lie.
lie.
He didn't have a horse called Majnu. That's the lie. That's the lie. Why do I always do this to myself?
My
You,
son,
your
my Jan, and
first,
my love are there.
sure, I get that. That I would have fully believed. But
Yeah.
your first movie was a Salman movie. It was
Karan
Karan Arjun.
Arjun. And I remember these slacks which had like strawberries on it. And I slept midway. I was
Of course,
like
but
too
your
small.
first movie, I feel like there would have been a loophole there. That's why I thought that would have been the lie. But fine, that's why I didn't go for that. That's why the second one was different
Imagine
from
my first
everything.
movie in the theater has Shah Rukh and Salman both in
Both,
it. And
yeah.
I'm like still
Kya
so.
karu main?
I slept through it, but that's why I have dreams about them, I guess.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Yeah.
As Salman's future wife, Pavitra, from his movies, what dialogue would you give him as a life lesson?
Yes.
Choose some, like, tell us one by one. First you go,
Yes.
then I go.
ओके यकीन एक ट्यूबलाइट की तरह होता है देर से जलता है लेकिन जब जलता है फुल लाइट कर देता है
That's a very Salman Khan. Why would
Yeah.
you tell him this?
बिकॉज आई थिंक राइट नाउ ही थिंक्स ही वॉन्ट्स टू स्टे सिंगल हिज होल लाइफ बट देन ही विल मीट मी एंड तब उसको यकीन होगा कि कोई ना कोई तो बना है मेरे लिए सो
It's only Pavitra who's going to make that happen. I love
That's
it.
right.
All right. कोई तुम्हें तब तक नहीं हरा सकता जब तक तुम खुद से ना हार जाओ. This, I think I would like to tell Salman for his court cases that he's into, that if you don't lose, nobody will be
Yeah.
able to make you lose.
Which, by the way, Reddit and other sources have said that he wasn't the one who did it.
His
Some
driver
other,
did.
some other people were involved, and because he is at such a position that he cannot be harmed and he had the resources, so he took the fall for it, and which is why the industry supports him so much because they apparently know who the real person is.
And he's
behind
also
this.
from the industry, the real person.
Yes.
And they don't
So-
want that person to get into trouble.
Yeah, so at that time, that person could have gotten into trouble. So,
Who is this? You can't say. You can't say. You know who it is. You can't say publicly.
I don't want to say.
You tell me after the
Yes,
podcast
after the
shoot. Okay,
podcast,
great,
I'll
great.
tell you. हमारा नाम हमारी पर्सनालिटी को शोभा देता है चुलबुल पांडे उर्फ रॉबिन हुड पांडे which is something he's already doing
Being
actually
human.
being human
Yeah.
and even his father like bandstand and all people come up to them and then they go through all their like requests and they'll be like okay this person guy is real this that and they give money to people and help them out
Oh,
a lot.
wow.
He has a lot of goodwill and lot of karma points, so I think maybe I can meet him like this. I'll go and ask. If I don't get him, I'll get money at least.
No, just be like, मुझसे शादी
करोगे.
करोगे. That's a good, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
मैं मौत को तकिया और कफन को चादर बनाकर ओढ़ता हूँ.
Which is usually
much.
his way of living.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I would say, Salman, go easy now. Thoda age has caught up, and I want you to stay around longer. So be careful.
He's very young, yeah. He's still in his 50s.
Yeah, but
He's
still.
not even a 60-year-old.
The thing is, now in our current situation with our AQI and global warming and everything, 50s maybe have aged faster than
Yeah,
our
yeah.
parents in their 60s or 70s. So
True,
we
true,
need to be careful.
And so should Salman, I
Yes.
agree.
जिंदगी में 3 चीज़ें कभी अंडर एस्टिमेट मत करना आई मी और माई सेल्फ
That is full Salman Khan.
Yeah.
आम आदमी सोता हुआ शेर है उंगली मत कर. What is this?
मतलब द पर्सन लाइक एन आम आदमी इज अ स्लीपिंग लायन
Lion.
डोंट ungly them like don't try to wake them up because then once they wake up
Oh,
You're gone.
Don't fuck with Salman.
Yeah, don't
That's
fuck with
basically what
Salman.
it is, yeah.
just fuck him.
Oh.
I also have a funny story that I heard that when he was the brand ambassador of Thunder, I think the director kept asking him to take multiple takes, and he's a very like one take person, and especially like with age, you're like, yeah, now we know how to do this. Like, don't teach us how to do this. So there was a shot of him like drinking the Thunder and running. He took the thunder, ran, and he ran to the parking lot, got into his car. He's like, I'm done with this shit.
Because the guy was making him do it 2-3 times. That's damn funny.
I don't know how true this is, but it's hilarious.
You know, Salman has this look of a badass. You know, the exterior of a badass guy.
Yeah.
But
Inside he's a baby.
Full masti khor. Chul
Baby.
he
He's a
has, full
proper,
chul.
yeah, baby only. Dude, one more story I'd heard that on Big Boss set. So he usually like arrives late and everybody knows that. So they plan accordingly, okay? Like they're like, okay, we've understood his system. So, but once he came early, so everyone like chaos on set, right? Because they're like, oh
We're not
no,
ready for
he's,
you.
yeah, we're not ready for you. And he said, no, no worries. I'll just like sleep in my van till then. Tell me when it is ready. But now सोते हुए शेर को कौन जागेगा? So he slept and then he woke up so late it was again late on. So they were like, what the hell?
They started on their time, with
Time
the
on-
scheduled
like
time.
as per usual. It was hilarious. So yeah, also this paparazzis catch him with his like drink glass in his
Pocket.
jean pocket. Like you would just be like at this man's stature and fame, like he'll have a flask, but he roams around with
a
that glass. I think it's cool.
Yeah,
It's
because you
badass.
can just put the drink in it and drink it and put it back. I think it's, yeah.
It is cool. It's quirky.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
like it.
Between-
I'll hold the glass for you, Salman, if you want it.
Oh, no, I'll be in your pocket, Salman. Actually, I don't think I'd want to date Salman.
No.
No. I'd rather be his bestie. I'd be his bestie.
Oh yeah, that would also be fun. I'll settle for bestie also. I think he'll like have some
Really
great
have your
farmhouse
back.
parties
Oh, yeah,
and
that
like
also.
we'll have so much fun and then like he's
He
a
was
nature boy
protecting
also.
Jacqueline from the world. There was
Yeah,
some time
he's
where-
protected a
lot
lot, of
of
people.
people.
So that's why he has so much goodwill. So I think even if all the alleged things are true, people find it so difficult to go against him because they're like, उसने बचाया है हमको, उसने
Yeah.
मेरी माँ को बचाया, उसने मेरे पापा को बचाया, उसने मुझको बचाया. So then you are like, how can I hate this person?
Yeah.
So I've in fact heard that even the people who have hated him, and because he apologized and made up to them, they also are like friends. It's not out in the industry as such, outside the industry, but within the industry, like they're all friends.
Arijit Singh.
I think they also made up eventually.
Yes.
He really
There was a
apologized.
misunderstanding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank God. I can't imagine an industry without Arijit's songs.
You know, I don't know that guy.
Yeah.
I still don't know him.
And you have to see what she said in my game show Down to Fun, where
Yeah, go-
I
don't
there
tell
was
her-
an
don't tell them.
option. Yeah, just go and
Go
watch.
and watch. Yeah. Down to Fun on Pavitra Shetty's YouTube,
channel.
All right,
Yeah.
Pavi, let's do a Salman Khan rapid fire.
Okay.
I'll ask first.
Hmm.
Name Salman Khan girlfriend in order of him dating.
Ooh, Sangeeta
Bijlani.
Bijlani. Then there
He was going to marry her, no?
Yeah, invites and all chap gaye the. But they're so cute. Now also they're like
Besties,
positive and
yes.
besties and all. Then I think Aishwarya was the one everyone knew about. Then Katrina. And now there's that Ilulia. What's her name?
After Katrina, nobody you know?
No, who else was there?
I don't know.
They were not like. Matlab, there were rumors about Jacqueline and all that, but
they were not. No.
So I think it's that Iluli. What is her name?
I don't know,
There's a new chick who's there.
I highly doubt Salman now will date.
No, he is, I think,
A
with
young
her.
person?
No, she's middle-aged.
Your age. You're
yeah.
middle-aged.
Yeah.
He could date you.
He can.
You're the same age as Ilulu.
Ilulia. Let me find her name. I don't want to just keep
Ilulia.
calling her Ilulia. Ilulia Wanchur.
Sounds like
Let me see her age.
Elon Musk's child's name. Ilulia 1.
She's 44, dude. She's
Oh
your
my
age.
God.
So both of
I
us
could
can
date
date Salman.
Salman.
Let's do this. I think this is a good, like,
You're too young for
matrimony
Salman,
request.
yeah. Come on, yeah.
I'm turning 36 in 2-3 days. I'm
In
ready for you.
tomorrow, tomorrow.
Oh yeah, shit, I forgot about
Tomorrow is your birthday. You're turning 36
Yeah.
tomorrow.
It's crazy.
You're turning 36.
Yesterday in my audience there was an 18-year-old and I'm like, I'm literally double his age.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
mad.
Yeah, there'll be a time when like your license will be older
Yeah.
than the audience, and that's
Damn.
even crazier. That you've been driving longer than a human.
That's true.
That's insane. All right,
Mad.
Pavitra. What comes after? Jane Jana.
Joonde tujhe deewana. Actually, what comes after Oh Jane Jana is a t-shirt removing dance step.
Right. All right. Fine. If Ash and Salman were to marry, what would their hashtag be?
अपनी तो ऐश है.
Ooh, I've written Salvaria.
Like Salvaria.
Yeah. If Cat and Salman were to marry, what would their hashtag be? Catman.
Oh.
Catman.
Nice. I like it.
All right. If you and Salman were to marry, what would the hashtag be?
Hashtag Mission Impossible.
No. Salu Bana Pavitra.
Oh.
Salu Bana Pavitra.
I like it. Me likey.
You also tell us some hashtag for your.
Yeah,
All right.
for
Now
me.
you.
My turn for the. Which Salman movie song would you dance to in your wedding?
मुझसे शादी
शादी
करोगे.
Nice. What would you cook for Salman on your first date?
Oh, stew.
Stew only. Nice. How would you manao a rootha hua Salman?
I tell him you're really tall.
Ooh.
I'd really make him stand on a pedestal and try and look up to him so he feels
Cute. Like it would be Jaya Amitabh, but he is standing on the
Yes,
stool.
yes,
Nice.
He's my height. He's
Ooh.
5'6". I'm 5'6".
Nice. So for me,
Oh,
to
no, actually,
perfect.
not
I'm 5'3.5".
Yeah. I'm also 5'3.5". I'm lying. I'm not 5'6". Suddenly I was like, I'm 5'6", and I'm like, no, I'm not. Why am I talking like a guy?
These are like your delusions. And what would your first date with Salman be like?
I want to say we'll go for a drive. But I will drive.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Gia is
yeah.
an amazing
That
driver.
is why.
You have to see Gia reverse once. You will definitely wet your pants. Like, it's
Alright.
like not in a scared way. Like, it's a
Yeah.
turn on. Salman on top or bottom? We know this.
Bottom.
Nice. And amongst all of Sallu's girlfriends, who's your favorite Sallu girlfriend?
Means with him. Aishwarya.
Aishwarya for
Yeah,
you. For me, it was Katrina.
No.
I feel like I feel in all the other relationships, he had control. And like I felt more overbearing. But in Katrina's, I think she really molded him into a better person and made him realize a lot from
Equality.
right and wrong and equality. And so, I think another one of the girlfriends that after their breakup also they're still tight and like there's that respect, love,
Yes.
everything. So
Yes.
I like that.
Because he didn't, hurt her really. Did he cheat on her? Why did they break up?
I think it was just not working out, and maybe like after one point she wanted commitment,
marriage.
and he was like,
yeah. He
मैंने
wants
तो
to be a
commitment कर लिया
bachelor.
अपने आप से. So
Yeah.
In the end, I want to know, out of all the Salman movies that you have watched, what are the things you've learned from him? You learned something for sure.
Oh no, me from Salman movies?
Yeah, of course.
I
I feel something has influenced you. I like he releases all his movies on special days, and you shoot your recordings and release things on special dates and special timings. Like you are also very
yeah.
obsessed with all of
Releasing
that.
on special days is my thing for sure.
Yeah, for sure. And I've learned like to be confident from him. Like he'll flaunt his body. He can't really dance that well, but the confidence makes it look way better than like what it is. So I've learned confidence from Sallu Bhai.
Look, I have to be honest with you. When someone tells you something about you, you need to not be so defensive. Like you do lie a lot. You lie a lot.
If I don't agree to it, like if you say something that's actually honest and that makes sense, then I'll listen to you. But if it doesn't make sense to me, there's no facts that are like attaching to it, then like why should I just.
No, see, I feel like you do lie a lot, like to everybody. I have never seen you be honest to, Shrija or Uruj. Have you been honest to me also, dude? We are besties.
I'm honest only where it is needed and it will help you or serve you. I will tell you the honest thing, ki, okay, this is something we can work on. But sometimes something is like, I feel that I have felt something bad and I don't want to justify why I felt bad. I know I'll handle that feeling. Why should I tell you and make it a big thing? And Khali Fukad, why so much drama? I just don't like that much drama in my life. So I don't want to.
No, that's fine. But right now, why can't you tell me the truth? Right now, what is it that has bothered you that we've had this fight for? There's no need, right?
I don't know.
I
Every
just said
time
that.
I feel like I'm trying to have a discussion and you think we're arguing, and I'm not arguing. I'm genuinely trying to have a discussion, but then you get triggered, and then when I point that out, and you're like, "No, I'm
I'm
not
not getting
triggered."
triggered.
See,
Yeah, I'm
that's
not
what you
getting-
say. You're not getting triggered.
But I'm not getting triggered. I just
So
want
then,
you
same
to.
thing. I'm not fighting. I'm discussing. You're not believing my thing. But when you say ki you're not getting triggered, you want me to believe
Because
that
you're not being honest. Even now, you're not being
this
honest.
is me being honest.
What? Then you have to say something that I can believe. You're saying you're not believing, but I've never seen you be honest to anybody. You're always so polite and diplomatic and, pyar se you
But
try
things
to.
don't affect me the way it affects other people. Like
No, I feel
when
like
it-
you shut down. When someone says something to you and that hurts you, you never stand up for yourself.
not never stand up. What the hell? Like
You
obviously
never
I stand
stand
up.
up.
When it gets beyond my para, I will stand up. Till then, if I have a high threshold and I can like
No, that's why
get rid.
people walk all over you. And that's why I keep telling you, you need to stand up for yourself. You need to, and be honest. That's all I'm saying. Just be honest. If you don't like something, you say, I don't like this. And just whatever, walk out if you don't like
Yeah,
it.
so
But
I don't like this.
no, what nonsense. No, I'm having a conversation. Pavitra, no. No, you can't do this. Hello? Pavi, finish the podcast. Pavitra. Pavitra, just end the podcast at least. Then you go home, do whatever you want. I don't care. Just finish the shoot. Shoot, khatam karo. Sit down. Don't annoy me.
No, you
I'm
have
being
to-
honest with something. I'm
I'm
just
also being
No, I'm
honest
just
only,
saying in honestly. What is this? Why are you being suddenly? What has happened?
I don't know. Are you on your periods? I'm not able to do this fight.
No, you were doing it very well. I was so impressed that I started laughing. Spill the tea.